After losing 18 kgs of weight, I realized that I had done a lot of mistakes when I started my weight loss journey. And I see this happening with a lot of my clients who come to me for the first time. And when I have interaction with them, I get to know that they also almost had done similar kind of mistakes. So these are not changing. Whenever we get into a weight loss program, our goal becomes like immediately I want to lose weight. And in that hunt, people get to a wrong program, wrong diet. They spend a lot of money, effort and time. And later they realize that, they had wasted those things. So before you get into a program, what kind of thought process you should have, what you should be thinking, and whether you should choose something easy or whether you should choose something which is right. So that's what I would be going to discuss in today's topic, because if you choose something right, in long term you will be in a position to sustain for longer period of time and you will be healthy for rest of your life. But if you think something which is easy, you may lose weight, but the moment you get back on track, you will gain your weight back. So let's get into the topic directly. What do I mean by easy and what do I mean by right? Because when I want to lose weight, I don't want to gain it back after some period of time, because if you put your time, effort in losing weight and you gain it back, it looks like, you have not done it in the right way. Your effort, time and money, everything goes for a toss. So how would you know that you are thinking something which is easy or you are thinking something which is going in the right direction? You would see the first thing, which people say they want to lose weight, but they are not clear about why. Most of the people want to lose weight because there is some occasions in their family, their friends are losing weight, they have joined gym and they also will go along with them, but their reason is not clear why they want to lose weight. And that is when they start looking for shortcuts. 10 kg weight loss in one month. Some people say something else, drink this, and you will lose weight, because they are not clear in their reason. But there are some people who know why they want to be healthy, why they want to lose weight, because the only goal for losing weight should be you want to be healthy in longer period of time. Because weight loss might be 2 or 3 months or 4 months based on how much you have to, how much weight you should lose. But you would be having enjoyment with that health for rest of your life. So you'll be spending more time maintaining that weight than the time which you have put in weight loss. So it makes all the sense to understand what is your reason and then start your journey. That is when you will continue for longer period of time and won't quit along the way. How would you know that you have chosen something easy or you are thinking something to go towards easy is when you are on a weight loss regime, your friend tells you let's go for a party, let's go out, and you say yes, you will. But if you, because you want to keep everyone happy, you don't want to hurt someone else. But the person who had chosen a right way of losing weight, he may say no, I don't want to go today. I have a planned calendar for my reward meal. That day I will be coming along. If it's okay, we can go together. You cannot keep everyone happy. You have to do something which is right. How would you know that you are doing something easy is you will follow for a few days and then you will go off track. Again, you will follow for a few days, you will go off track. And this is how people, who are looking for short-term results are doing, because their reason is not clear why they want to lose weight. But people who is thinking in a right way, they would be consistently following it for longer period of time. Maybe once in a while you will go off track, but you will not be every, twice or thrice in a week you will be going off track. So if your reason for weight loss is not clear, you would be choosing these easy ways and you would know that you are not succeeding anyway. And after some time, maybe 15-20 days or 1 month of doing all those things, people quit from the journey. So what I want to say is when you are thinking to work on your fitness, it should not be a short-term goal. It should be definitely short-term, I want to lose weight, but long-term, I want to be healthy for the rest of my life. And when you think in that direction, you act accordingly and you would know what your priorities are. You will not try to keep everyone happy, because if you go today out with your friends, which was not in your plan, you may again, get into one day will go to second, third, and then whole week will pass and whole month will pass. And you know how much time it takes to get back into the momentum again. So when you are starting something, know your reason. Don't go off track so frequently. Once in a while is totally fine, and learn to say no. Because if you don't learn to say no, you will be pleasing everyone else, and that way you will never lose weight. So I hope something would help you from this. If you like it, you can share it to your friends and family members who are also in the journey of weight loss. And about me, I am Harishankar, husband of a beautiful and caring woman, father of a wonderful boy, and an IT professional turned entrepreneur, weight loss coach. Have been helping a lot of people across the globe for weight loss. And if you are watching me for the first time, do subscribe and click the bell icon so you get the notifications whenever I upload a new content. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay blessed.